think, fuck, I'm by myself here. And, yep, look at this. Wow.
Ooh, that's not good, bro. Personally, I don't fuck with this SMT that gets placed right up there. Yeah, no, we're fucked. Alright, well. That's one way to end the fucking day. Yo, what's good, y'all? Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I'm in a new fucking room. I'm in the new room. Look at this shit, bro. Fucking dope as hell. But yeah, this is what my view is looking like right now. Look at that shit, bro. Well, currently we are in the 1 minute. But if you really look in the daily, you get a good look. We've been very, very bullish. Very fucking bullish. 1 hour, another fair value gap. Rejected nicely. Took those highs. 15-minute fair value gap here in ES. And then rejected off of it. Where NQ didn't. And then the 5 minutes. This is what we're looking, the 5 minute. So this was 8:30 news. This was CPI right here. Come down to the 1 minute. We had our change of state here. Change of state. Disrespected a bearish fair value gap. We'll have one in ES. Enter here. Take profit there or here. But this is my view now. Love that. Fucking beautiful, right? 6:24 in the morning. Oh, 25. Crazy. Bruh. Right, we have this 5-minute SMT that just got placed, or really got created. And then I looked over here. And then we have a bearish fair value gap. Oop, holy shit. Oh, okay. Well, there goes that. Never mind. It is now 9:30. And this is what we got for the markets. Net. Nothing. There was an S&T here at play, but yep, price just ended up taking it. Fami set up here, 5-minute S&T. And then pretty much I look over here, seeing that we ran this bearish fair value gap through. I also want us to run this bearish fair value gap. See that? That bearish fair value gap, and then for us to tap right into that change of state. Then from there we enter. But one thing is that NQ is fucking running. So this is making it a little difficult for me to want to take this execution just for that fact. Risking 6 contracts, so 180 to make 765. Not too bad, but I would like for price to close above this. And then just shake that chance. Because we already took it NQ, ES, not really. So here we are in the 1 minute. We didn't really get a close above. I would like for price to at least 1 tick and above and then tap right back into it. Holy fuck, NQ is just running that shit up. Yes, catch the fuck up. But yeah. So we got 6 contracts on this bitch. Get that up. Nice. 11 seconds. I'm enter off of 2 seconds. Alright, damn, bitch. Okay. This is tricky because we just took this high. ES hasn't. So we pretty much formed an SMT at this high here. Unless we do begin to shoot up to that. So today I work from 5 to 9:30. Like what? Hearing all those birds chirping. Look at that. 10:07. Bro. Oh. Bro. That would have been it for me today, man. Damn. Sorry, man. Shit. Get him next time. Yeah, this shit was fucking perfect, bro. Because we had created an SMT here. We inversed this bearish gap. We created a fucking change of state. That's my setup right there. That's literally my setup. But I didn't take it because we were in this bearish gap, but I wanted us to close above this, which we didn't get until here. And then by then it was already too late. It's just fucking crazy, bro. Right, it is 11 o'clock and this is what the market's looking like. SMT at the highs after taking this little liquidity here. Yep. And then honestly, I'm just gonna stick with the bullish bias that I have here. Inversed, but we respected. Yeah, no, I'm good. Take these highs out. Initial draws this high. Though we do have an SMT, it could be a chance for us to come down here within this movement. Shit, and then shoot higher. It's a possibility. 11:26, and we finally fucking took this internal high. Love that. So we no longer have an SMT up here. Right, I'm gonna head over to the kitchen, just see what the fuck I could eat while I wait for setup, I guess. Even though it's pretty much damn near 30 minutes to closing for me. Yeah, take the laptop with me too, so I could just see what's going on, and yeah, we'll head over to the kitchen. This shit looking rough, but this is what we got. Looking really rough because I just pulled it out the fucking refrigerator. Damn, look at this shit. Watching the markets, yeah. I know the hot sauce isn't ideal, especially for the morning, but whatever, you know? Honestly, I like the spice. I love the spice. It just adds to it. If I were to just eat this bare, heck nah. Anyway, this is what we got. Yeah, bruh. Looking like a nudge right there. Totally fine. I'm just gonna fucking eat, sleep, so that I have fucking rest before I get to work, which is not until 5, which is crazy. But hey, man, that gives me a great amount of time to rest. Righty, it is now 9, which is pretty much 12 here. And yeah, that is literally it for the fucking day for me, bro. That is it. I am exhausted. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I just want to go to bed. So yeah, I'll do that. Get that going. And then I could just head over to my bed, take a good ass nap. And yep, that'd be it. Right, it is 2:14 now. Just woke up, took a shower and all that good shit. So this is what we got. So since I'm working from fucking 5 to 9:30, I just decided why not just take part over to my job. Might take around 15-16 minutes to get there. I mean, I did take a nap, but honestly, that nap did not do shit. I genuinely still feel the fucking same. I still want to sleep, but hopefully after work I get to do that. I mean, I will have to edit, but that doesn't take too long, maybe an hour or so. Just, it depends on the amount of videos I do end up recording and the length of them. But yeah, this is what we got. Just another Tuesday, right? Straight fucking edged by 1 point. The fuck is this? Good thing I went break even right down here. But what the hell? Anyways. Shit, I'm about to leave soon. Maybe at like 3:10 or so.
Fuck, I'm by myself here. And, yep, look at this. Wow. Just chilling, man. Hold on, let me flip this bitch.
You got the motherfucking dream apartment here, bro. Holy shit.
Let's go. I'm finally clocking out of here. Look at that. Nice. Yay.
Bro, no way the fucking power just went out in my room. SMT's here, as we can see. Yep. SMTs, double SMTs actually. So one SMT up here, there. But yeah, we have an SMT down here. Love that. The fuck, bro. Order flow is bullish. Inversed. Respecting. Another SMT down here. What the fuck is going on? Yeah, nah, bro. I'm just gonna wait this out because I have no idea what these indices want to do. We'll go find the fucking breaker thingy majiggy, whatever the fuck it's called, so that I can turn the power in my room, because what the hell? I guess from the heater being on, it just turned itself off. Bruh. Let's go. I fucking got it. Hold on, look at this. Yes, sir. This down. Alright. Now we're back in motion, baby. Let's go. What the fuck is this price action, bro? Okay, SMT gets formed, right? Okay, cool. We inverse this bearish gap, cool. Alright, right? Inverse, nice. Change state. Not to clean this one, but change state. Alright, stops at this low right here. So, 5 here. 4. Boom. So that's 9. Taking this high out right here. Fuck. Risking about 191 on this bitch. So 191. Let's have this audio there because I did not hear anything. So NQ is pushing up. Beautiful. Wondering whether if yes is gonna do the same here. Disrespecting these bearish gaps. I mean, we are kind of low-key respecting it here, and yeah. But we created double SMT, cool. Just targeting this little high right there. Just, I'm gonna fucking hold this shit off, not gonna lie, but same time, I need to see what the market's actually showing me. Okay, we came into it nicely. Look at us. Oh, now we're back down. Looking very... Ooh, that's not good, bro. Personally, I don't fuck with this SMT that gets placed right up there. I'll close it out, especially with how we're respecting this gap here. I don't like that, but we'll see. We will fucking see. Oh, okay, we pushed through. Nice. Beautifully. Holy shit, look at NQ pump. At this point, I'm in too deep. I'm about to fuck around and just break even? Break even right here? I mean, let's go break even right here. Alright. Yeah, we in too deep in this one. There's no chance. Look at that shit. 934, bro. 934. Take my profit, boy. Take that shit for, I don't even know. I believe it's like a $200 dove. Let's see. Oh, it's a 326. Okay. Not bad, not bad. But look at this shit, bro. 270. Come on, man. Hit that bitch. Do not. Let's go, bro. It's like that. I'm done. 319 for the day, right? I'm done. Let's fucking go. I'm out of here, boys. Easiest shit ever. No, I'm kidding. The fastest shit ever. 319. Alright. 4 trades. Y'all seen that, right? I did not take 4 trades. That is so weird. I genuinely just took one. And I'm done. Just like that. Well, made my money for the day. I'm going to bed, because what else do I need to fucking do, bro? I did what I needed to do. Short ass day today. Oh, we done. Yeah, man, I seen the setup play out. I was like, I bet. We had our SMT at the 5-minute. Fucking inverse. That little bearish for value gap. Created a change of state. I was like, I bet. I'm on that bitch. Here we are. Bro, this shit is so fire. Mixing with the Capri Sun. Hell yeah. What time right now? 6:57. Ah, freedom. That is what I want to love about trading. I'm telling you, man, it's just a matter of time when I start pulling fucking money out the markets, bro. It's fucking game over from there. Back here, look how empty 5 room is, bro. Wow. Absolutely insane. Crazy. Boys, it is 6:28 p.m. and this is what happened during PM session, so this shit gone fucking nowhere. Yeesh. Consolidation of hell here, which kind of makes sense. We do have PPI. Let's see. Yeah. So we have PPI tomorrow and unemployment claims and Powell's speaks at 8:40, 8:30. So makes sense. And then we displaced up, invalidating this bearish for value gap. Change the state right there. Take profit right here. Fucking dumped. Afterwards, yeesh, not good. Guys, it is 7:41, and I'm about to head over to the gym like the usual. Fucking hell, the sun. And I'll see you guys there. We found parking right here. Let's go.
of that bitch.
Happy Thursday, guys. Hope y'all are having a pretty good day so far. Right, so this is what we have for the daily here for today. S&Ts at the highs here. Cool. Drop down to the 4 hour. Created an S&T down here in the 1 hour. But we inversed. Oh, did we? Not really. Not yet. And then here we are in Q, respecting this bearish imbalance there. Yes, doesn't look like it wants to. Drop down to the 5 minutes. Nothing really for me to take, to be honest. Right, 9:30. So market just opened. Here we are. Yep. No clue what the fuck is going on here. But, oh shit. Motherfucking ESMT. Cool. Drop here. Nothing really. I mean, we didn't really inverse anything here. Here. Yeah. A little bullish for a gap, but that's about it. Not different. Okay. Here we have a potential setup. So we had created S&T at the little internal highs there. And then I noticed that we had created bullish gap, and here we are inversing it in ES. We already did that in Q. All I need to see is for price to go below this change of state. From there, I'm gonna enter. Beautiful reason why we wait for price to close below a change of state, because look, we did inverse, right? We inverse that bullish gap. You would at least assume, okay, we're gonna come down lower from there, but nope. All right, now we're dumping down. Look at that. Cool. Damn, motherfucker. Alright, 4 counts in this bitch. Holy shit. Nah, imagine we don't get a little tap in, bro. Damn, ho. Nah, watch. That would actually be pretty funny if we don't get a tap. Okay, so we did close below this in the 1 minute. Let me get that there. Let me set this up here. Alright, so we have entered into this bitch. Okay, let's see what happens here. This definitely looks like a nice break-even point. So that would be this right here. Break even there. If NQ takes it first, I'm immediately dropping this down to break even. And seems to be that NQ is fucking pushing price lower. Here we are in ES, lacking like a motherfucker. Come on. Go with NQ, bro. Goddamn. Whatever. But this is what we got. Seems to be respecting some kind of thing here. I have no fucking clue. Or coming back up again. Weird. Oh, fuck. I just noticed we had created an SMT here. Interesting. I low-key don't fuck with that, because any SMTs can shoot price higher. Okay. Can hold it off just to see what happens, because I don't want to close out too early and then price come down lower. Right now we're in entry now. Oh fuck. Yeah, no, we're fucked. Alright, well, that's one way to end the fucking day. Though I have been fooled. The S&T. So we have a 30-minute bearish gap here, respecting pretty well. But is it going to respect though? If we close above this, then yep, it's GG's. Gonna accept this loss. Ooh, we just got stopped out now. 10 o'clock. Yep. Yeah, 187. Okay. Let's check stats. Alright. Not too shabby. What we got here? 319, 187. So we have tomorrow to trade. Okay. I'm gonna head to bed now. Just like the usual.
I mean, if I was on the right side of the bias, I definitely would have been chilling. Being chilling. But no. It's fun.
I'll work today from 5:30 to 12. What the hell? I thought it was 4. But okay. We got a meeting on fucking Saturday, 7 in the morning to 9. Yeesh. And I work that same day from 7 to 12. 4:30 to 10. Bruh. But yeah, I'm gonna head over to my bed, edit this video, and then go to sleep. Yo, it's 7:02, which is 4:02 here. And yeah, I got this fucking bias wrong as hell. I really thought we were gonna fucking sell, bro. Nope. No. Anyways, I am ready for the work. About to leave here at 4:55.
Sir, made it to work. It is. Yes, sir.
Aw, shit. Clocking, we're locking, guys. Clocking, we're locking. Look at this shit. 5:30 to 12. God damn. Let's get this hoe. Gliz. Damn. Yeah. Honestly, I'd love to wait till 12, but I need to go. I am fucking tired, bro. Sorry.
Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great Friday so far. Today, we are not gonna make that fuck-ass mistake going against high time frame order flow, so we should be chilling today. Anyways, this is what we have for today's daily. Yeah, we do have an S&T, but we didn't really get a reaction off of this S&T just yet, so I'm just gonna wait for that to happen. Oh my fucking god. We did come into this bullish gap here. Cool. Shot itself up. Possibly taking these highs. Who knows? We did inverse this bearish fair value gap, so that's cool. 30 minute. Nothing really for us to notice here. Oh, okay. 15, we do have this S&T here. Cool. Literally price is running inside of this bearish fair value gap. No hesitation whatsoever. Yes, lacking like usual. Come on, bro. Anyways, here we are in the 5 minute. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, we do have an S&T on these lows, but if I were to check the 1 minute, bruh, none of this shit is clean for me to really consider even taking a trade off of. And we also have news at 10 o'clock. It's preliminary. I don't know how the impact of that news would really do to the market, but we'll see. 10. So I got it marked out here. 10 right there. No way, I fucking did that shit again. Gotta go back down. So it should be this one, I believe, or is it this one? Oh, I believe it's this one because all of these are on the left and this one's just slightly to the left. Do you see that? Yeah. And these ones are all fine. So I should put this one. Oh. Hello? Let me reset. Oh, it's test. Never mind, that's test. There you go. Nice. We should be good now.
Beautiful. Nice. All right. Back in business. Okay, what is going on here? What the fuck? Alright. So, we created a 5-minute S&T. Love that. Okay, cool. Come down here. Nothing clean for me to really take. Per usual. Fucking A. Just dipped a little lower here. What the hell? Weird. 5 minutes before market opens. Okay. Respecting this, right? Which is now an S&T appeared. But yet again, our drawn liquidity is these highs. What the fuck? Look at this 1 minute candle, bro. 1 minute. God damn. The Diddy candle. What the fuck? This is not normal, bro, especially for a 1 minute. What the fuck? News just opened. Market just pulled that little move again, where it takes you out of a trade if you are in one. Now 8 o'clock, which is 11 here, and we've actually swept the lows. This low, that low, but then we created S&T with this liquidity, and yep, don't really have my setup playing out, aka the 5 minute S&T. I mean, we do have a high time frame S&T, but yeah, I'm more comfortable taking a 5 minute. Hey, so we had created a double S&T here. Honestly, I thought we were gonna stop out here, but yeah. Well, look at us pushing. Fuck yeah, bro. We have 18 seconds. So I'm gonna jump in on maybe 2 seconds or so. 2 seconds till this candle closes. Tap right in here. I actually sized up now, so yep. All right, cool. We're on that bitch. So 3 contracts. Risking what? I changed the risk, so it's gonna be 198 to make 573. Not too bad. And yeah, pretty much now we just wait for this shit to do its thing, and yeah, looks like we about to get it filled right here. Hello?
Order filled.
There you go. Alright, we are now in this bitch. 15 buckaroos. So decided to go break even at this high here. Boop. And here too. If one of these takes it out and I notice that we begin to come down a bit, definitely sitting that shit right at break even. But this is where we are at right now. It is 11:32. So about to close for me, but if I need to hold this throughout PM, I certainly will. Right, yes, just took that high out. Now this is where we wait. Whether if we should go break even or just hold off a little longer. Just to see. Because NQ can also take this high as well. Okay, we just closed below that. Tapped into this bullish gap now. I went break even here. Yep. Bitch, I ain't taking no fucking chances. The fuck? Oh, what the hell? Yeah, nah, bro. I'm cool. 50, yeah. Look at us drop down after creating that S&T up top here. Ain't that some shit? Oh. See, I swear, man, as soon as I pull out the camera, it's gonna do some shit like this. Alright, here we are now. Look at that. AES respected that bearish gap. Here we are coming right back down. Shoo. Hit me at break even at this point. There you go. Break even, break even, break
forgiven me. Forgiven me. Oh,
Order filled.
there you go. $3. Let's go. Fuck yeah, bro. Bro, I swear, man. If this shit start pumping up afterwards. Bro, no way this shit is pumping up now. What the fuck? After stopping me out at break even, here we are. What the hell? You can't make this shit up, bro. Oh, God, you can't make this shit up. No. Like, actually. So now it came back down to entry again. What the shit are you trying to do? It is now 12, and here we are. Yep. Yes, sir. Well, there's that for the fucking day. Hey, I'm honestly glad. Cause, god damn, look at these red days. It's all cool though. One trade will wipe all of these losses out, which happened in this trade. So it wiped out that and that loss. And then took another loss. That's cool. We ended up green for the week. That's nice. I like that. Better than what we had last week. Looking a little rough, but it's alright, man. Just takes one trade for me to fucking come back up green for the month. Just saying. Just saying. One trade. Or two. 1 to 2 trades. Either one of those. And then I'd be up. I update you guys further on what the fuck happens on this trade. Because look at this shit. 12 o'clock. Oh, it's pumping now. The fuck? So there's that for the week. It's okay week. It's an okay week. It's alright, you know. I'm not too worried because we have next week. And we have the week after. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Now, 9:29, 6:29. Holy shit. Look at this fucking candle here. So we swept that high. Fucking dump like a... Oh shit. Dump like a motherfucker. Just made it to the fucking gym. Hold on. Type shit.